Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stake on KuCoin. First, navigate to the KuCoin website or open the mobile application. Log into your account or create one if you are new. Staking allows you to earn rewards by holding specific cryptocurrencies. It's a great way to grow your digital assets passively. KuCoin offers various staking products to suit different needs. Once logged in, look for the Earn section, usually found in the top navigation bar or main menu. Here, you'll find different options like staking or KuCoin Earn. Click on it to see a list of available cryptocurrencies for staking. Each listing will show important details, including the estimated annual percentage rate or APRA and the lockup period. Choose the asset you want to stake. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to stake. Be sure to carefully read and understand the terms and conditions, especially regarding the lockup period and any potential unstaking fees. Once you are satisfied with all the details, confirm your staking order. Your assets will then be locked, and you will start accumulating rewards. You can always check the status of your staked assets and accumulated rewards within the Earn section of your KuCoin account. When you decide to unstake, follow the platform's instructions, keeping in mind any unlock periods. Remember, staking is a long-term strategy, so patience is key. Also, for more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.